Like, where do I go? What do I do? I'm lost. I'm an idiot. I don't know anything. I'm mindless. What the? Lang, are you? What the heck? Oh my gosh, it's freezing! What? I'm adult Link. Awesome! I'm an adult Link. I got this cool sword thingy. I can spin attack, and I got a purple hat on and white hair, and I can move around. You know what the? I can't move anymore. What is this? What's going on? What is that? What is that? Oh my gosh, it's the final boss! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so epic, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, here we go! Wait. Wait. That's it? That's it? I don't even... What the heck is that thing? Is that an enemy? Looks like a freaking jelly worm beanbag thing that's all... The heck is it? What the heck? Oh my gosh! Let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go! Get off of me, you... Get away! Get away! Oh my gosh. What the heck was that? It was like he gave a blowjob to my entire body. What the freak? I'm not even going back over there, man. Nah, man, nah. That's some psychological crap, man. Okay, so I did some research on this game, and it turns out that he wasn't the final boss. So where do we go from here, guys? This Sennheiser mic is so spectacular.